Have you ever imagined how you can save your contacts, that even if you misplace your phone or your SIM card is damaged, you still have access to your contacts anytime, any day? Well, I'm going to show you a very simple method. By using your Gmail, you can send your contacts to your Gmail. So even if your phone is missing or stolen, you can just log in your email to any phone and you get access to your contacts once again. So quickly go to your Play Store or your iOS App Store. Come to the search button. Search for Google Contacts. So I have mine installed already, so you can install yours and open. Right here are all the contacts I have saved on my Gmail account. So what I would simply do here is show you the contacts that I've saved already. Now you have two options. You can either save from your Google Contacts directly or from your phone app. I'll show you both of them. So to save directly from your contacts app here, click the plus icon down here. Then you can just add a name. Let's say I go to random name, service number, and I put a number here, 8887, just a random number. Then I save. Now the number is saved, so we can go back and confirm that. Come to the search button and search for service number. So write your service number and you can find the number I saved here before. So it's that easy, and I can just delete this one. Then you can also come to your phone app. I use Truecaller as my phone app. So come to Truecaller. It's the same thing for your normal phone app. I can save a number, press a random number. I save and I say Google contact tests. So remember, make sure the save to is on the email address that is on your Google Contacts. Make sure it's the same thing. If it's not, you can toggle down and click the email you want to use to save the number. So this way I want to save my number, so I'll just click on save and it's here. So I'll go back to my Google Contacts now, search for contacts, and I would search for Google Contact Test is here. So you can see the number right here. It's saved, but I will still have to delete this number. I don't need it. So deleted. So the next thing I want to show you is to make sure that your contacts are always synced to your email every time. So that even when you save, it syncs already to your email. So come to organize. I don't have a contact on this particular email, so I'll click the email that I want to use. So I'll switch the emails here. Click my primary email, and you can see that last sync is 1 minute ago. So you can see Google Contact Sync is on. So always make sure this is toggled on so that your contacts can be saved to your email. With this, you not ever be worried about my SIM card was missing, my phone was missing, I have to call somebody. You just log in your email to anyone's phone, then get the Google Contact app and you can find your number. Thank you very much for watching.